as a long-term investor, you're kind of just waiting for this, but there's a lot of, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up. And their time horizon is much shorter. And it fucks with your head. So it's a real skill set to learn. It kind of hurts you when you're hearing, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going to do, and you're forgetting what game you're playing, which is like, I bought it somewhere when it was low in crypto winter or crypto spring, and I'm going to sell out late crypto autumn, and it'll have gone up 10x, 20x, 30x.
Due to recent price movements and general market conditions, it's easy to lose sight of the immense opportunity the cryptocurrency and overall digital asset space presents. This is easily the first time in modern financial history that equal opportunities have been available for all categories of investors from all corners of the world. Investors from developed, developing, and underdeveloped countries all have the same opportunity to trade, invest, and make money at any time of the day without any barrier whatsoever. But crypto is more than just equal opportunity for all. It's the best chance anyone has of maintaining and growing their wealth in the face of the constant fiat currency debasement by central banks. And millions of people worldwide have made generational wealth from this nascent industry, often by just making small, simple moves at the right time. According to Real Vision founder and CEO Raoul, the cryptocurrency market is not just an alternative assets market, but the only opportunity everyone has to unlock their future. Everyone agrees that the current financial system is on its last legs, and central banks are just going to keep adding to the mess by printing and debasing their respective currencies further. Someday, they will all fail, taking down billions of people in the process. In Raoul Pal's words, the future is and the only way to is to stay ahead of the constant monetary debasement. You cannot do that by relying only on your wages because even the strongest currencies are losing 7 to 10% of their value annually. Traditional financial assets like bonds and stocks are not keeping up with the debasement either. However, over the past 15 years, cryptocurrencies have managed to not only keep up with the pace of constant fiat debasement, but have consistently outperformed the balance sheets of all central banks, including the US Federal Reserve. This is the opportunity the industry presents, the opportunity to unlock your future and avoid going down with the ailing financial system. In a recent video on his Raoul the Journeyman YouTube channel, a renowned macro analyst and former Goldman Sachs executive, examines these opportunities as they pertain to the ongoing crypto bull market and outlines why he strongly believes the big moves are set to begin imminently. As we bring you clips from Pal's video, please take a little time to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. We appreciate the support and hope you enjoy the video.
Presidential election years. Nobody really cares who gets elected because the market goes up. Now, I think a Trump victory probably may extend the cycle in terms of magnitude, but the amplitude is probably the same. It just goes up. And it's from this period, end of October, really. That period now is like the correction we're having today. Think about that. And then the rest looks kind of like something down there. The business cycle. The interest rate market, how it's moved, is indicating the ISM, the business cycle for manufacturing, is about to rise. That will paper over a lot of sins. It will allow a lot of cyclical stocks, commodity plays, all of this to really start working. We're starting to see commodities starting to work. Really, the ISM is yet to turn higher. The next 12 months will be nothing more than the business cycle going up. The business cycle going up will drive all of your favorite stocks and make you all look like investing geniuses. We are generally all morons. And if the business cycle can make us look like geniuses, we'll take any victory we've got. So I'll take that. It means basically you throw a dart into the stock market and everything goes up when you buy it. So we're at that point. It starts with the growth cycle. The macro summer and macro spring is really all about the growth stocks and the crypto. And then it starts as the macro summer. This is not the summer season. This is the third year of the everything code cycle. That's when the cyclical stocks start performing as the ISM has come up. ISM has been really sticky on the lows, right? Look at this. This pattern we've not seen really, even then, the 2000s wasn't quite the same. So it's been sluggish, and it's one of the reasons I think the Fed will continue to cut rates, and we're not seeing an inflationary environment That's that chart flipping through. General business conditions in the future are going up. New orders expectations going up. ISM, that turn in the ISM matters because guess what? When the business cycle goes up, we've all got a bit more money because our businesses are doing better. We might get a pay rise, all of this shit. And your mortgages are tending to fall. So we're spending less money on our mortgages or our car service payments or whatever it may be. And guess what? Altcoins go up as a percentage of market cap in relation to the business cycle. Everything is the business cycle. This is what I've been trying to tell you. Crypto is macro. Everything's macro. It's all the same thing. You could change altcoins and turn it into small caps in equities, or you can turn it into credit. You can do whatever you want. They're all the same thing. It's all risk. It's all allocation of our liquidity, our capital into markets based on how we feel, which is the business cycle. So as the business cycle turns up, alt season. That's that inverse head and shoulders I talked about of the of alt season. This is previous bull markets. Obviously, the first bull market we can discount. Second one, 11 to 13, that was wild. I was involved in that one. It's when I first started investing. Bitcoin was bought at 200, got to 2000, was kind of like blown away. These are the percentage returns. And then, the returns have come down a bit over time, as we can see, as adoption curves. We're right here, right? Kids, it's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. Literally all normal. So if we can stop the drama, I'd appreciate it.
It's easy to see that Pal has full conviction in the bull market and what lies ahead for cryptocurrencies in 2025 and beyond. He believes we have come to the point in the business cycle when central banks must unleash the full force of their money printers to keep the global economy from cooling so much that the entire system crumbles and wipes out hundreds of trillions of dollars. Pal says this has been the central bank playbook since 2008, and the apex banks will do everything necessary to keep up with this mandate. It's all part of Pal's everything code thesis. The constant debasement by central banks, and how only crypto and technology stocks have managed to stay ahead of it all. In his video, Pal stresses the importance of zooming out, ignoring the noise, and sticking with the simple strategy of buying low and selling high. He also stresses the importance of not seeing this as a get-quick-rich scheme and chasing risky ventures like putting all your bag in a meme coin or an obscure, unproven token. In Pal's words, that's how to fuck this up and miss the promised land.
As a long-term investor, you're kind of just waiting for this, but there's a lot of, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up. And their time horizon is much shorter. And it with your head. So it's a real skill set to learn. It kind of hurts you when you're hearing, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going to do, and you're forgetting what game you're playing, which is like, I bought it somewhere when it was low in crypto winter or crypto spring, and I'm going to sell out late crypto autumn, and it'll have gone up 10x, 20x, 30x from then. And that's all I'm doing. I don't actually have to do anything. I was talking to a friend of mine about this. It's like, crypto is so incredible that it's been giving us the same opportunity every 4 years. And it's like, it's so stupid that it's been so easy. You just buy that big sell-off or add to your positions in the sell-off and do nothing. And everybody who'd done that would have made better returns than starting a startup. If you'd have raised $1 million for a startup, if you'd have just put it in the market instead, using that cycle, you'd have done better. I mean, pretty much everything we do, everything else is actually dilutive. And I know people are like, oh, Raoul, he's become such a crypto guy. He used to be the macro guy. He used to talk about oil and dollar yen. I'm like, I don't give a about that stuff because it doesn't produce 150% returns a year. I'm actually trying to my future and your future. That's what matters to me. And part of that is I really would like everybody to realize that if the yellow fruit comes, which, as you can see, I've shown the charts, is it before the election, after the election? How does it end this month? I don't know, but it's there. I mean, it's there already. But don't this thing up. And then, I've already seen there's people at Real Vision this thing up, colleagues, because what happens is you get taken over by the madness. Ansem, this guy, Murad, they're making 100x. If I made 100x, I could be them. I could be wealthy. And before you know it, that nice bucket of Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and maybe you've diversified into Racia Sui or Near or whatever it may be. And then what happens is over time you creep all that into meme coins. And then you're desperately in the search for the next big one. It's that kind of cocaine hit that you're searching for your next high, the next 50x. Oh my God, I got that one early and that one. And then you're buying into this AI narrative. Oh my God, AI has started a meme revolution and everything in the world's changed. I need to buy this. Before you know it, you're going to get washed out and washed out and washed out.
Pal is not against investing in meme coins. He holds around 5 to 10% of his portfolio in meme coins, like Dogecoin and smoking chicken fish. He just advocates doing it in moderation while keeping your main bags on top cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and others. Popular Bitcoin analyst Willy Woo also weighed in on altcoin season in a recent tweet. Woo, a known Bitcoin maxi who hasn't talked about altcoin in years, believes this cycle may be quite different from previous ones in this regard. His tweet reads, "I haven't talked about altcoins in years. I quit my interest in them after the shit rolls downhill chart, mapping the performance of 10,000 of them. But someone asked me specifically, and this is how I see the altcoin market cap. This cycle has been markedly different from others. This is the third cycle since retail started getting burned at scale with alts, which burst onto the mainstream in 2017. 2020 to 2021 was DeFi and NFT innovation. Plenty of retail got burned again. This third alt cycle is about meme coins, which is a piss take on the crypto space." Woo further described the meme coin market as an honest bubble casino, adding that retail may finally be catching on to the risk these sectors present. In the tweet, he added, "I'm not saying there won't be alt seasons. Certainly, there will be echo fractals of mid-caps and low-caps pumping after Bitcoin pumps as investors chase returns higher up on the risk curve. This is a normal part of markets, and we see this in equities. Just alt seasons will be weaker each cycle on from the great 2017 alt bubble. Also, remember alt market cap is like the cricket bat that has had 10 new handles and 10 new blades. It's the sum of all the new winners. Losers don't count to the market cap. Trade it sure, if you want to play. Don't ever hodl them unless you're so knowledgeable that you're an effective insider, because alts are an insider's game just like the casino where the house will eventually win." Do you agree with Pal's bullish views on altcoin or Willy Woo's more cautionary approach? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, ensure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.